No way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
1, 2, 3, 4. Doom tech, tech doom tech, doom tech, tech doom.
Stop using my foot to scratch your ass!
What exactly is going on here? Is it a standoff? Somebody has to give up the call.
Mika, can you say hello? Say hello.
This is bullshit.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
Так, хлопок, синтетика, шерсть. Вот это то, что надо. Ну шо, Белка? Как говорил Юрий Алексеевич Гагарин, поехали!
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Wow, that was weird.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Sorry, Auntie.
You locked me out.